Hey Cami, it's Cami here, and we're going live at Ignite You, and I just thought I'd hand paint to people at my table, and we're gonna go around in a circle, and everybody's gonna take their turn with their color painting this pumpkin. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Check it out. So this is Courtney. She is going to be starting us off. So go ahead, Michael. You go next. Go. Feel free to stand up. So just.
Oh my gosh, Michael's.
Oh, careful, buddy. Woo! He's got the splatter look going on. Sweet. Okay, now go ahead, Ruthie. Just come all around here, and then go ahead next, Garrett. So, yes. So these paints all have a pouring medium mixed with them. Hi, Dion. We're missing you this morning, love. So, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, Garrett's getting wild. Not bad for a contractor. Oh! He painted the stem. All right. Here we go. That color is going to be so fun. So, oh, you switched up. Look at you. I gave you white. Uh-huh. He's a rebel. Oh, and I gave her the saucy silver. That's lovely. It's not Tiffany blue. Yes. This is really fun. Look how pretty this pumpkin is going to be. And it's going to continue to change.
Absolutely.
Just watch your sleeve there. Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a great idea.
Isn't there an awesome sense of wonder when you're painting?
Performs
Look at her. She's like, she does take this seriously.
Oh, wow.
Woo, girl. All right, LaMarco. All right. So we're going to be painting pumpkins at Volkswagen of Puyallup on Sunday, October 27th. And it is a fundraiser for the American Cancer Society, right, LaMarco?
Yes.
Awesome. Check this out. How cool is that?
And there's going to be karaoke.
So fun. And karaoke. $20 to paint a pumpkin. So, what do you think?
Beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
That's really cool.
Anybody can do this. And it's so fun. If we got the right white on there, it'll start making cells of color and you'll see through to the other colors.
Oh, that is so cool.
So I'm going to pour some here.
How is Dion watching this? Why aren't you here, Dion? That's
know.
So weird. It's not right with you not here.
I know.
Already.
So we'll see what happens with this. But anyways, this will continue to morph and to change as the paint drips down and oozes, and it will change and be super fun. Oh, we missed a spot. Check it out. We missed a spot. Oh, that's so cool. It's going to be beautiful, you guys.
Spin it really fast.
All right. Aw, Dion. Sorry, baby. We missed you. But it's almost like you're here, right? To see this fun painting, it's almost like you're here, right? We're just including you. So, anyways, have a great day. And these are all my lovely people at my table. I'll tag them so you know what businesses they represent. They're pretty awesome people. So, anyways, yeah? It was fun? Awesome. Did you think pumpkin painting is pretty okay? Awesome. Cool. So, yeah, pumpkin painting can be really, really simple and take only a couple minutes. So, talk to you later. Have a great day, you guys.